Finally, it's here, guys. No fake news, no clickbait at all. I know many watch geeks were waiting for that Tissot PRX Powermatic in 35mm for a very long time. This will probably be the first YouTube review for that brand new model. And again, this is not the quartz one. Today, we are reviewing the 35mm PRX, and it is Powermatic AT, the automatic black one. And best of all, at the end of the video, since I was already the owner of a 40mm PRX, I will show you both sizes side by side, and you may decide which one to choose from. But before, hi, and welcome to the Watch Loop. That's a brand new watch channel for watch freaks like myself. No, I'm not a watch dealer, nor a professional YouTuber, and no, this video is not sponsored by Squarespace or Skillshare or whatever. Just an ordinary channel, but very promising. Please consider subscribing to the channel for some unexpected content like that. Anyway, enough chit chat, let's jump into the review. The diameter is 35mm as expected. Height is 10.9mm, just like its bigger brother. Lock-to-lock distance is just 40mm, but due to the nature of the integrated bracelet, the first links should be considered as a part of this case, so the total length is more likely 44.4mm. Full disclosure here, since the watch is new and there is no real information on the internet as of now, these are my own measurements. Case is brushed vertically with nicely chamfered edges. Highly polished bezel is definitely adding more elegance to the look. The push-pull type crown is located at 3 o'clock position. It of course has the T logo on top. When we look at the proportions of the watch, the crown is the only thing remaining the same size as the 40mm one. It may look somehow large, but a smaller crown will surely cause some difficulties in terms of operation. Although this is not a screw-down crown, the water resistance of the watch is still 100 meters, which is great. We have an open caseback design and the movement is Powermatic AT. This is basically a modified version of the famous, well-known attack caliber 28-24. Beat rate is reduced to 21,600 beats per hour, and some extra modifications on the mainspring and barrels leads us to a whopping 80 hours of power reserve. Hand winding and hacking features are also here. The integrated bracelet starts at 24mm width and nicely tapers down to 16mm at the clasp. Again, a well-brushed top surface, but the magic is at the polished inner sides of the bracelet links. This gives a nice luxury overall look to the bracelet while catching light and shining. The butterfly clasp is working nicely and there are no sharp edges. Unfortunately, it's not possible to add micro-adjustment holes in this design. However, the first bracelet links on each side of the clasp are half-size links, so you can easily find a better fit for your wrist. And finally, let's move on to the front side. We have a sapphire crystal on top of the dial. The black waffle dial looks gorgeous with the applied button stick indices. I must say I surely prefer this dial against the plain brushed dial of Quartz PRX watches. On top, we see the Tissot writing as well as the 1853, which dates back to the roots of the brand. And at the bottom, we see the Powermatic AT and PRX. The P stands for precision and the R is for robust. That final X is the number 10 in the Roman alphabet, which represents the 10 bar or 100 meters of water resistance. I think the writings on the dial are just a little bit faint. They were more prominent on the 40mm version. Besides that, the bold hour and minute hands are helping a lot for the ease of readability. So this is a watch which was long awaited by the slim-wristed watch lovers. I think the overall proportions are looking much better than the 40mm one. Let's take a look at both versions side by side now. I will also add some wrist shots on my 19cm wrist so you can have an idea about the sizing. If you want me to prepare a detailed side-by-side comparison video for these two sizes, please write down below so I can happily do it. I'm also wondering your opinions about this new size. I love the proportions, but I think it's a little small for my large wrist. It's definitely more comfortable though. What's your opinion? To me, this will be a great choice for wrists under 18 centimeters or 7 inches. I'm also pretty sure many colors will be available online soon. Since this is still not officially launched and you are one of the few lucky ones to view such an early review, there are no official sales links available now. But when the sales officially start, I will surely add the links for the watch down below. A few weeks ago, I had managed to review another relaunched smaller sized watch on this channel, the Hamilton Khaki Murph 38mm. If you liked this video, I'm pretty sure you will like that one too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking here. You never know when and which watch will show up on this channel. You just found a hidden gem. Cheers mates, I'll see you soon, very soon.